97% of Japanese car owners have never heard of a single trick I'm about to walk you through, and most of them won't believe these actually work until they try one themselves and see it happen with their own eyes. Some of these could save you hundreds of dollars a month. Others quietly add years onto your Japanese car without you spending a cent at the shop. And mechanics would honestly prefer you never found out about any of them, because every single one of these cuts them out of a job they've been charging you for. Here are 15 brilliant Japanese car hacks no one believes actually work. Stick around, because the last one alone could save your engine from a repair bill that runs into the thousands. Hack number 15. Vaseline on the battery. You pop the hood and see white crusty buildup caked all over your battery terminals. Here's what most Japanese car owners miss. That corrosion is entirely preventable, and a single dab of Vaseline stops it before it starts. Here's the deal. Clean the terminals with a wire brush, then apply a thin layer of Vaseline directly onto the metal posts. It blocks moisture and oxygen from reaching the terminal, which is exactly what causes that white crust in the first place. A jar of Vaseline costs about $3 and lasts years. A new battery runs $150 to $250 with labor. 5 minutes of prevention beats that bill every time. But wait, if that one surprised you, the next hack could save you an entire set of wiper blades. Hack number 14. Soap on the wiper blades. You're driving through rain and your wipers are smearing water instead of clearing it. Here's the deal. Lift the blade off the glass and run a damp cloth with a little dish soap along the rubber edge. Then wipe it clean. That rubber edge is designed to make full contact with your glass, but oil and road film build up and create tiny gaps that cause streaking. Most drivers replace their blades 2 or 3 times a year over something a 30-second wipe would have fixed. A bar of soap costs about $2. New blades run $20 to $50 a pair, and you'll be doing it again in a few months anyway. This next one will genuinely shock you. Hack number 13. Sandpaper on early rust. You spot a small rust patch near a wheel well or the bottom of a door, and this one matters more on a Japanese car than people realize, since a lot of these models are known for holding up well, but only if rust never gets the chance to start. Here's the scary part. Left alone, that quarter-size spot spreads and eats through the metal, turning a $15 fix into a $500 panel replacement. Here's the deal. Sand the area with 220 to 400 grit sandpaper until you hit clean bare metal. Wipe it down, apply rust-inhibiting primer, then touch up paint and a clear coat sealant. Rust spreads fast once the protective coating is broken, so catching it early stops the process at the source. Sandpaper and primer run about $15 total. Professional rust repair runs $300 to $800 depending on how far it's spread. Wait until you hear what WD-40 does to foggy taillights. Hack number 12. WD-40 on taillights. Your taillights have gone yellow and hazy, and it's not just cosmetic. It makes you harder to see at night. Here's the deal. Spray WD-40 directly on the lens, let it sit 30 seconds. Then buff it out with a microfiber cloth. The solvent breaks down the oxidized layer that UV rays built up over time, bringing back that clear look. People spend $20 to $40 on restoration kits for a job. A $6 can of WD-40 already sitting in their garage handles in 2 minutes. Professional restoration runs $50 to $80. Next, a pantry combo that tackles the dirtiest part of your wheels. Hack number 11. Baking soda and vinegar on rims. Brake dust cakes onto your rims and commercial cleaners barely touch it. Here's the deal. Spray equal parts white vinegar and water onto the rim. Let it sit a couple minutes. Then sprinkle baking soda directly on top. It foams up and lifts the grime as you scrub with a stiff brush. Then rinse clean. Brake dust is a mix of metal particles and adhesive residue that bonds tightly over time, and this combination breaks that bond chemically without the harsh fumes. Vinegar and baking soda together cost about $3. Professional rim cleaning runs $30 to $80 per vehicle. Before we get to the trick that genuinely blows people's minds, do me a favor, hit that like button. Every like actually helps us keep making Japanese car content like this for you. Hack number 10. Lysol in the AC vents. You turn on the AC and get hit with a musty, moldy smell within seconds. Here's the deal. Set your fan to full speed with recirculation off. Find the fresh air intake near the base of your windshield and spray a short burst of Lysol directly into it while the fan runs. The fan pulls the disinfectant through the entire ventilation system, killing the mold growing in the evaporator, which is a warm, dark, damp space that's the perfect breeding ground for it. A can of Lysol costs about $5. Professional duct cleaning and deodorizing runs $75 to $150 at a shop. This next one erases scratches with something from your kitchen cabinet. Hack number 9. Coconut oil on scratches. You spot a scratch on your door that wasn't there yesterday. Here's the deal. Clean the area, then rub a small amount of coconut oil into the scratch with a soft cloth in circular motions. It fills in the micro abrasions in the clear coat, which changes how light hits the surface and makes the scratch far less visible. This only works on surface-level scratches that haven't cut through the paint. A jar of coconut oil costs about $6. A body shop charges $75 to $150 per scratch for buffing. That does roughly the same thing. Hack number 8. Vaseline on door hinges. Your door lets out a loud, embarrassing squeak every time you open it. Here's the deal. Open the door fully and apply a small amount of Vaseline to the hinge pins and contact points. Then work the door back and forth to push it into the joint. The squeak stops immediately and Vaseline stays put far longer than spray lubricant because it's thick and water resistant. A jar costs about $3 and lasts months. A seized or damaged hinge runs $100 to $300 to replace. This next one restores faded plastic trim without spending a dime at the parts store. Hack number 7. Baby oil on plastic trim. Your black plastic trim has faded to a chalky gray that makes even a clean car look neglected, and it's one of the first things people notice on an older Japanese car sitting in a driveway. Here's the deal. Put a small amount of baby oil on a microfiber cloth and work it into the trim in circular motions, then wipe off the excess. UV rays strip the natural oils that give plastic its dark, glossy look, and baby oil replenishes that moisture the same way expensive restorer sprays do. A bottle costs about $3 and lasts a full year. Commercial plastic restorer runs $15 to $25 and burns through fast. Wait until you find out what's hiding on the side of your steering column. Hack number 6. The hidden steering wheel adjustment. You've been driving for years assuming the wheel position is just how the car is built. Here's the deal. Look for a lever or locking knob on the left side of the steering column, just below the wheel. Unlock it, tilt the wheel, and on most cars, pull it closer or push it back. Then lock it into your ideal spot. Correct positioning means your wrists rest on top of the wheel with arms slightly bent, which reduces fatigue and improves your reaction time. It costs nothing and it's already built into your car, but years spent in the wrong position adds up to real strain on your back and shoulders.
Put your steering wheel up and down.
Hack number 5. Shaving cream on side mirrors. Your mirrors fog over from condensation and wiping them barely helps for a minute. Here's the deal. Spread a thin layer of regular shaving cream across the mirror, let it sit about a minute, then wipe it off completely. It leaves an invisible film that keeps water vapor from bonding to the glass, which is exactly what causes fog in the first place. Anti-fog sprays at the auto parts store use the same principle and cost $10 to $15. Shaving cream costs about $3 and one application lasts 2 to 4 weeks. Hack number 4. Adjust tire pressure with the weather. Most drivers set their pressure once and forget it, but here's the scary part. Tire pressure drops on its own as temperatures fall, roughly 1 to 2 pounds per square inch for every 10 degrees. A tire set to 35 pounds per square inch in summer could be sitting at 31 or lower once winter hits without you touching it. Check your pressure whenever the temperature swings and use the number on the door jamb sticker, not the tire itself. A gauge costs about $5. A blowout from neglected pressure can total your car, which makes this one of the cheapest insurance policies you'll ever buy. Hack number 3. WD-40 to remove stickers. An old registration sticker or decal won't come off no matter how hard you scrape. Here's the deal. Spray WD-40 directly on it, let it soak for about a minute, then peel from one corner. The solvent breaks down the adhesive from underneath so it lifts off clean, with 0 scratching and 0 scraping. A can costs about $6 and you probably already own one. Professional sticker removal at a detail shop runs $20 per decal. Hack number 2. The emergency trunk release. Your trunk lid closes with your keys still inside. Here's what most drivers have no idea about. Nearly every car made after 2002 has a glow-in-the-dark release handle built right into the trunk near the latch. Fold down your rear seats from inside the cabin, crawl through and pull it, and the trunk pops open instantly. It's a federally mandated child safety feature that doubles as a backup for exactly this situation. It costs nothing, and knowing where it is before you ever need it could save you a $200 locksmith call. Hack number 1. Always choose synthetic oil. This one matters even more for a Japanese car since these engines are built to run reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles, but only if you're not cutting corners on the oil. At your next oil change, the counter asks conventional or synthetic, and most people pick conventional to save $20. Here's what that's actually costing you. Synthetic oil flows better in extreme temperatures, resists breakdown far longer, and protects your engine at startup, which is when most wear actually happens. Full synthetic is rated for 7,500 to 10,000 miles between changes, while conventional starts breaking down at 3,000 to 5,000. The upgrade costs $20 to $40 more per change. Engine damage from oil breakdown runs $1,000 to $4,000, and a full engine replacement runs $5,000 to $10,000. That $30 you saved isn't savings, it's a deferred bill. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one shocked you the most, and if you've already tried one of these yourself, let everyone know it actually works. If this video just saved your Japanese car from an expensive repair, hit that subscribe button for more content like this every single week. Your wallet will genuinely thank you. And if you want even more hacks like these, check out this next video.